मैंने अपनी स्किन को ऑलरेडी प्रेप कर लिया है यूजिंग मॉइस्चराइज़र एंड सनस्क्रीन एंड नाउ आई एम यूजिंग द प्राइमर। प्राइमर जो है वो हमें सारी स्किन पे नहीं लगाना है, बट जहाँ पे हमारे ओपन पोर्स हैं सिर्फ वहीं पे थोड़ा सा ब्लेंड करना है ताकि वो हमारे जो पोर्स हैं वो डिफ्यूज्ड इफ़ेक्ट दें और हमारी स्किन क्लीन और लाइक टाइट दिखे एंड मेकअप कम्स आउट नाइस। प्राइमर जो है वो हमारी स्किन में एज अ ब्रिज काम करता है बिटवीन मेकअप एंड योर स्किन। Now I'm using concealer of my shade. It is from Maybelline and it's a liquid concealer and I'm just doing spot corrections and wherever required areas I feel कि मुझे concealer की ज़रूरत है मैं सिर्फ वहीं पर लगा रही हूँ, पूरी स्किन पे नहीं। So guys, I like this concealer a lot because I love this for daily routine and it's not very heavy but it has like medium to buildable coverage and it's good for daily routine as well as for professional makeup also. अब मैंने स्पॉट करेक्शन कर लिया है एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ माई फाउंडेशन विच इज़ अगेन फ्रॉम मेबेलिन फिट मी। It's shade number 310 and I'm taking this on the back of my hand and I'm using a stippling brush to apply this instead of sponge because I feel sometimes I have a better control over my foundation and my skin using stippling brushes and it does not eat the product also and I somehow like the finish and the coverage. You can use sponge also but it's totally fine to use a brush or a sponge, your choice. Now post using foundation I'm using a little bit of concealer from crayon palette because my brows are not really neat right now, so I'm just kind of covering the area under my eyebrows so that my eyebrows comes out nice and they stand out. So just giving a clean look using the concealer from crayon. You can use any concealer. Now I'm just packing my foundation especially on the eye right now because we are heading for eye makeup. आई मेकअप के लिए मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ Lakme एब्सोल्यूट का पैलेट. आई हैव रिसेंटली गॉट दिस पैलेट इन माई PR पैकेज, सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू यूज़ दिस. एंड इसमें वो सारे कलर्स हैं गाइज जो आप डेली रूटीन में या सॉफ्ट लुक के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हो. एंड आई एम यूजिंग राइट नाउ लिटिल बिट ऑफ लाइक पिंकिश टोन and as you can see I'm not taking the brush directly dipped into the palette. I'm just dusting off the excess so that nothing falls on my face. So just a very soft look for a beginner's kind of makeup or a daily routine makeup. Now from the same palette I'm using another color for which I'm using this Bougie Beauty brush. Guys, iska description and products description I have given in the comments below, so you can check them out. I love this brush because it has got a little like a softer and a little controlled bristle because I do not have very big eyelids, so uske liye it works completely well for my area. So what I have learned in my makeup journey is, guys, that you should use brushes according to your area that you're using the brush at. So bigger the area, bigger the brush, and smaller the area, smaller the brush. अब मैं अपनी eyelids पे थोड़ा सा shimmer यूज़ करूँगी. This shimmer is from coloressence and I love this shimmer, guys, because it's really pigmented and the best part is it's not too tacky or it's not too vibrant, but it just gives a very soft effect to my eye makeup and glamorous at the same time. Also, just to give a little finished look, I am giving some color to my lower eyelids because we are not using kajal, so eye खाली नहीं लगनी चाहिए, इसलिए मैं थोड़ा सा color add कर रही हूँ. And before using eyelashes, we need to really curl our own lashes so that it mix with the fake eyelash. Now I'm using liner from Maybelline and it's a liquid liner. I love the tip because it's really precise and I have full control over my tool and the shape of the liner I want to give. So I am giving a little winged effect to my eyeliner, guys. If you let me know in the comment section if you want me to make separate video for the wing eyeliner. Now I'm using my Glam mascara and just giving a lifted look to my eyelashes because they're absolutely straight, guys, and I love curly lashes, but it's okay. I'll add just the fake lashes to my own lashes now. So adding fake lashes after using mascara, and I hope they really come out nice. Okay, let me stick it well, and I think I'm done. Now it's a technique, guys, I just use sometimes to give a more coverage, because we use the foundation, concealer, powder, and since now that the foundation is settled into my skin, I'm using a little bit more so that I have a better coverage, and I hope you all can see the coverage is a little more than before. So you can try this technique if you want more coverage using the same foundation, like just keeping a gap of like 10 minutes or 5 minutes and reusing it on the same areas. Packing it again using the loose powder. The loose powder is from Forever 52. It's called banana powder because I have got a wheatish tone, so it works well for me. Try not to forget any areas and cover the entire face completely, the neck and everything. Time to contour the face now. I'm using this contour product from Sugar and I am in love with this product. You can see it's almost over in my palette, so I'm yet to buy another one. Contoured my cheeks and now a little bit of my nose so that it gives a sharp effect and it looks like a professional makeup done. Adding some blush to my cheeks, and this blush is from MAC. This is a shimmer blush. Guys, you can use any blush of your choice. I'm using this because I want to create a little shiny effect on my cheeks. If you're going for a day look, you can try using some matte blushes also. Using lip liner on my lips from MAC again. The lip pencil is called Soar lip pencil. I'm trying to create a little ombre effect, and that's why the lip pencil is slightly darker than my lipstick. So let's see how it comes out. And now this beautiful shade from Milani Cosmetics, and as you can see, this is slightly lighter than my lip pencil, so that we have an ombre effect, and it actually blends well with the lip liner, and I'm just loving this shade. This is my recent favorite and all-time go-to lipstick. I hope you like it too. And finally, to set the makeup using a setting spray. This is from Faces Canada, and it gives me very matte look and just keeps my sweat in control and makeup in place. So that's the final look, guys. This is, I hope, good for the beginners, people who are trying to learn makeup and not too much of hassle-full makeup. Giving all the details below in the description box. Let me know how did you like the look, and if you want me to create any particular look for you guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.